Right, so we have Dr. Faraz here with us, and that's fantastic. Let me tell you, fourth rank with AIMS. I don't have to ask anything, I feel. Well, tell me, what is that you're pursuing now?
I'm doing general medicine at AIMS.
And is that what you wanted to do?
Yeah, I always wanted to do medicine. So I wanted to do it in Osmania, that's my institute.
Mm-hmm.
But I got it in a central institute before I wrote my state PG, so I was very happy and I took it here.
So you didn't have to bother about the state PG, you just did your AIMS, and this was your first attempt that you did?
No, this is my second attempt because we finish our internship later.
Okay.
So I gave an attempt in May 12th
Mm-hmm.
and then in November 12th.
Mm-hmm.
That is when I got the rank.
Okay, fantastic. So tell me, what have you joined with IMS? Is it just the FTS or you did the entire
No, I was going to the
course?
classes.
You do
Yeah.
because the foundation course is what you had taken?
No, I mean down south we don't have the foundation course as such.
Mm-hmm.
We join these institutes after we finish our final year or after we finish our internship.
Okay. So you
So-
did it from Hyderabad or
Yeah,
Bangalore?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, yeah. That's nice. And well, like you said, you did your regular batches with IMS. What really was it also when you appeared for in May? Is that when you were with IMS or
Yeah,
it was
I
only
was.
for you were with
Yeah.
IMS? Okay, so tell me, what did you really think before getting to IMS? I mean, what really made you get to IMS?
No, like most of my seniors that time, I was confused about what to do when I was done with my final year. So
Mhm.
I spoke to a few of my seniors,
Mm-hmm.
and there was a lot of talk that IMS is a very good institute at that time,
Mm-hmm.
and so I decided to join there.
And for us, like you said, you spoke to a lot of your seniors, and every time your senior would tell you that, okay, you join IMS, what would be the reason? You would always ask, why IMS? So, how would they really justify what they say?
They told me that the classes are much more detailed.
Mhm.
The topics are taught much more extensively.
Mm-hmm.
So, so I thought that would be the best institute to join. That
Okay,
time.
so what they actually said that the topics were extensively covered and
It's taught in much more detail.
much more detailed.
That was what was spoken at that.
And when you actually got the notes, and how convinced were you after whatever was heard, whatever was spoken, when you actually came in and you got your first hand experience here? Were you really happy to?
Yeah, the classes
it was
were
up
good.
to your expectations.
The classes were good. Some of the subjects were very good.
Mm-hmm.
Some of them are not so good.
Mhm.
But
And
most of the
we
subjects
would
were
like
very
to
good.
correct that. Like you said, couple of them were not good. Please go ahead, feel free, and talk about it. It's absolutely okay.
No, the ones which were good, I can tell you, pathology was good when I attended. Medicine was pretty good. Most of the specialities in medicine were good.
Mhm.
Pediatrics was good. ENT was good. And then OPHTA was good.
So, what was not good according to you? Which subjects you really, felt that they could have been made better?
I never liked biochemistry. Biochemistry, I didn't find it to be
Oh,
that
is it
interesting.
because you didn't like biochemistry?
And the class was also not that good.
No. So you felt the faculty was not right, or you felt the notes were
No,
not
I
very
don't know, but
comprehensive?
I didn't find it to be very interesting at that time.
Mhm.
And there are a couple of other subjects which I really don't remember. But that's the case with any institute, any college. Most of the subjects were pretty good.
Mhm.
And there were one or two subjects here and there that I didn't find very interesting.
Mhm.
So that was about it.
Okay. And how about the faculties?
Faculty was pretty
How
good.
well aware they were with what they were teaching you,
Obviously,
and
they were-
how updated they are on everything?
Yeah, they were very aware. I mean, they're doing this professionally, so they know what is the new things that have to be taught.
So they keep,
Huh.
yeah. They kind of incorporate all those
The things which were prospective questions,
Mhm.
they would always tell us that.
Mhm.
So that way they were pretty good.
Pretty good. And how many years in terms of, did you take 4 years? With the other tests that actually happened in sorry, not the test. Your last year's question papers. How many did you solve in terms of the 4 years, 3 years, 5
Well,
years?
actually, initially I had not solved them. I was just reading the question banks. But towards my later part of my preparation, I tried to solve. Initially, I was not aware that there were volumes of these exams. But towards the later part, I took up those books and I solved them.
And you did solve them.
Huh.
So I think by then, and when did IMS really complete its portion in time?
Yeah, they were. I mean, pretty close. They'd done it by I think November 11. I joined in May 11. So by November 11, December 11th, they were done.
Okay. So gives you enough time to
Yeah.
go to and fro and read. At least gives you at least once or twice possible revision is possible.
Definitely.
That's nice. And how about the FTS for us? How did you feel about that?
FTS was pretty good. When I used to write FTS, I used to score pretty badly. But it actually gave you an understanding of your position, and you know, you realize what your weaknesses are. You work upon them, and then you improve. And I was improving. My FTS ranks were gradually improving. So that was a good measure of where I was standing. So I was using that as a marker of my preparation.
Okay, that's
good.
nice. Well, Dr. Faraz, your final words to all our students out there, and how do they really keep their calm, and how do they kind of, you know, whatever they've decided, they've come to the IMS, they've done the right thing, but of course, it's not all. Your journey has just begun. So what is that you'd want to tell them?
You know, you see people getting ranks in institutes, in your state colleges, and lot of times you think that, can I do it? You know, with hard work it is definitely possible. It's not difficult. And I have a special message for my college people, my college Osmania people, that you know, we are very good, we are damn good. You just work hard, you can crack any institute. That's what I want to say.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much, Dr. Faraz.